Here I have KARBONN Aura, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset by using the KARBONN settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here apps icon, then find and select settings, scroll down, and here you need to find and select backup and reset. It's located under personal tab. Let's use here factory data reset, and this will erase all data from your phone internal storage, including a Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset phone and tap erase everything to begin the operation. Let's wait until the restoring will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means the hard reset is done. Now you may start simply activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.